What's something people don't know about space missions? Astronauts sometimes hear weird noises. NASA recently solved the mystery behind a strange noise coming from the Boeing Starliner spacecraft. Astronaut Barry Butch Wilmore described it as a pulsing noise, almost like a sonar ping. Concerns were raised, but after thorough investigations, NASA identified it as harmless speaker feedback. This feedback was due to audio interactions between the International Space Station and the Starliner. It turns out, this is a common occurrence and poses no risk to the mission. NASA assured everyone that the noise had no technical impact on the crew or the spacecraft. The incident gained traction when an audio recording of Wilmore reporting the noise to Mission Control was released. Even former astronaut Chris Hadfield weighed in, pointing out the importance of a quiet environment in space. So, the next time you hear about strange noises from space, remember, NASA's got it covered. Stay curious.